Always have to be a jerk in CBR3. Step 1. Just leave your coaches slash freight behind. Step 2. Take get a tank engine and take every tender engines in the game tenders. Step 3. Ram into another player's train on purpose. Step 4. Ruin a role play. Step 5. Purposely spam the points and derail a train. Yeah. And Step 6. Purposely derail your train so another train can crash into it. Step 7. Make a big mess in the yard. Step 8. When people are recording, ruin it miserably. Step 8. When people are recording, just ruin it. Just ruin it. Ruin it. So what else you know? Step 9. When you're at admin, destroy the person that's driving the train. And finally, step 10. When you're admin, so fly a train and derail another train on purpose. And that was the last step. That was the last step. And before you go, I want to show you 2 updated customs and 5 new customs. Pineapple and pick them. Pineapple and pick them. I'll let you guys look at them for a second. Okay, I think that's enough time. Okay, I'm gonna. Are you recording? Now I'm gonna stop recording. Bye, guys. Yeah.